Alright, what is going on, guys? I am back with a new video, and real quick I just want to say that I have my friend Dusty edit today's video. He may be my editor from now on, so I'm just letting you guys know I like his style of videos, and I will have him linked in the description with whatever he wants to link me. We haven't decided yet. And also my friend Anthony is helping me today. You'll be seeing him more on the channel. I want him to get used to me recording around him first, but he's gonna get a new car and this whole stuff, so I'll be coming probably in April for him, but he will be around helping me some more in whatever, if we're helping with Nick or something. So yeah, just wanted to say that there will also be a before and after, like before with my old X pipe, like before I play the clip of my new H pipe started, that way you guys can hear the difference. Just want to give you guys a heads up for that. And yeah, make sure you guys leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. I can't speak, and I'll see you guys next time. Alright, tune's done. Now it's time to test for, or start it up, see what it does, and then make sure there's no leaks. So yeah, today I got an H pipe for my car, because I wanted one, and it was like Black Friday, so it was like $10 cheaper, plus some other, like a code thing, got me another $10 off, and it's Summit, so free shipping. So yeah, it's an off-road pipe. This is my dad's X pipe, and even he has a cat, but his mufflers are bigger and they're wider, I should say, so it lets the sound out easier. So I don't think mine will be as bad as his, but it's still gonna sound good and be much louder than it is. Here, I'll give you guys a before and after. So far we only got the middle part of it done. Anthony's doing the front and he's having issues. You got that one bolt out though?
I got it loose. Oh, motherfucker.
What? Oh, you lost it?
It's stuck on there.
Dude, I guarantee you though, it's not gonna come off like by hand, so you should just kept it on. Unless you can get it by hand. So yeah, it's hard. Wait, is it coming out?
Yeah, it's out.
Where? Oh. Yes, dude. Let me see. Let me see. Jesus, dude. Alright, now for that last one. You're gonna spray it with some penetrant real quick? Yeah, no, spray it before you put that on. Just spray it.
Oh yeah.
Make our lives easier.
I'm trying to figure out how we're gonna get in there though.
Nah, just worry about spraying it first. We can worry about that later. Dude, one more and it's out. Just this last one. Alright, so after about what, like 2.5 hours?
Yeah.
We finally got the old X pipe with the terribly welded extra cats on. Dude, it was only hard because of the passenger side. Once I got the passenger side off, I mean, because it was like it was just being difficult. So now we get to put these in, and hopefully it's good. Alright, so everything's bolted up. I just gotta load the tune real quick, turn off the O2 sensors, and then we'll fire it up. Starting to get nervous, to be honest. So yeah, let's see what happens. Oh boy. Oh man, it's happening. I'm like nervous, low key. Alright, tune's done. Now it's time to test for, or start it up, see what it does, and then make sure there's no leaks.
Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Yo. Oh man.
Oh.
Dude, stand out here. Stand out.